Welcome back to my channel. I have Dave with me again to help me in that project. So this project is about the snowplow. The snowplow is on a table now. It's facing toward the ground. And the project is to modify this pin style attachment to a quick attach, skid steer quick attach. So this is a really homemade design of snowplow. It's been proven to be really strong. It's been built with my father-in-law, René, maybe in 2002, 2003. And believe me, this plow has lifted rocks a lot of time. It's got, you see that, you don't see that in the camera, but from this side, it seems to be really good. From the blade side, you can see it's been really tough for the blade. So there's a lot of reinforcement here and there, welds, and welds. So today we're going to sit on those sides which are strong, and we're going to match material against that, this side and this side, and start our plate in angle to have the quick steer, quick attach on this snow plow. So we've got already some material. You'll see that in a few minutes. Okay, we've got those parts. That will be for the top, that will be for the side, that will be for the bottom. The idea is to have the notch, to have the lash to go against this one at the bottom like this. 60 degrees at the bottom. This will be the side plates, and we've done a spare just to be able to align the whole project. And this one at the top, which will be the base to hitch or attach. And then this one will be welded on the square tube, and the square tube will be welded on the plow. That's pretty much it. The next step is to fit the part there. Make sure that the quick attach will fit too. So this is the rough parts that will be welded against this with few shim there will be fitted there. I don't know where I'm going to fit them, here or here, but just below this part, so I can meet this part here. Okay, I took a while to get this set properly on the current Plow. It's not easy working with old stuff, and the first frame was not meant to receive that kind of quick attach, and over the time there was some part that was a little bit bent and it's no longer perfect straight, but yet it's still working great. So I had to fit this attachment, the part that goes on the tractor, to make sure that when I'm going to fit the let's say the female part, I have to make it sit straight. So I'm going to just clamp this to the male part, so I make sure that I don't have any uneven contact surface. I'm going to add some angle iron there and here at the front, like this one, so it make correct contact in between. And I'm going to do a few tack welds now and remove this and see what it does. So this will be the first time I snow plow seriously,
with that new skid steer quick attach. I hope it will hold.